My people, how na day? Na still your babe MJ. Welcome to this tutorial. I appreciate all my YouTube subscribers. I appreciate you big time. God bless you. This tutorial class, I wan make baby dress. The baby na age 5. So I get Ankara fabric to work with. I dey make pleated dress, and the borderline of the dress get this lace edge. So now we begin the measurements. I get 2.5 yards of Ankara fabric here to work with. So for the gathered dress, the lower part of the dress, I want to make it be 45 inches. 45 for the back, 45 for the front. So you know normally the length of Ankara is 45 inches, so I will use the whole length like that. So now the lower part I go mark first. When you want to mark your fabric, maybe you mark the bigger part first. So as I don't fold them into 2, I will mark out from half length, reach my full length first. The whole length of the dress, 25 inches. The lace edge will take 5 inches. So it remains 20. So half length, I will use 10 inches. So it means, say, from 10, I need another 10 inches here. So I will stop here. I will eventually add borderline for this part, will be the full length of the dress. So I take the whole length, 45 inches, 45 for front, 45 for back. So I will cut that one out now, my front and back with that. So now I want to mark the upper part of the dress from shoulder line to half length. I will use 10 inches from shoulder to half length. So now my measurements be that. Then for the back side, I need 1 inch for my zipper allowance. So I mark the 1 inch. I roll them like that. Then I will start the measurements. Her back measurements now 9 inches. If you divide them 4.5, na sleeveless dress. From that place, I'll go down 6 inches. I'll put the bust measurement. The bust now 24. When you divide them into 4, that will give you 6 inches. Then I'll add 1 inch allowance. Then I'll use my curve, connect that armhole from the shoulder line. Now the waist measurements. Most time, children know they get different weights to the bust. So what I will do is say, I will just reduce that bust line by ½ inch so that I get slant effect. The dress will carry belt, so that one will give us fitting. So I feel to cut them out like that. I will use the back, cut the front. Because na baby, so na flat pattern. I'll just fold away the allowance, place them like that. So the front part, I won't put neckline. So my neck width, I'll make them 2.5. Then the depth, I'll do 2 3/4, so that I no go choke. Now connect them like that. Then I'll do my shoulder slant. For the back part, the neck will go down small. Most of the time, the back will dey lower to the front, but I don't want to make it too low. Just small difference. So next to do now to cut my lining and begin joining. So I don't give the front and the back lining. So the first thing what I will do now, I will use the lining, turn the neckline, the armhole. I'll do the same thing for the back. I'll turn the neckline, the armhole. When I don't do that one, then I'll run gather for the lower part of the Ankara, for the upper part. When I run gather for the upper part, that one we can't join the half length. So maybe we begin to join it. Back side too done ready. We don't add zipper and we don't put lining. Next to do is to join the shoulder, front and back. Once we join the shoulder, then we use the measurements, close the sides. Then we go add belt, and the last thing to do is to add our 4 inches lace edge for the lower part. So once we add them, you will see how the dress will come out. So I don't turn the neck, the armhole, and I don't add the gather. So next to do, I will need to use the lining, cover up my sewing. So the lining will come from the waist, cover up. So our front done ready.